This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Brooke Adams. This elegant Cumberland Hall floor plan offers a range of desirable features in the highly sought-after waterfront road in the Webb community at Lake Oconee. Enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle in this single-level home, just a short golf cart ride from the community dock and pavilion. The open floor plan features a spacious great room with a cozy fireplace and hardwood floors. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an island, a breakfast bar, dining area, and hardwood floors. The large master bedroom offers a tray ceiling, carpet, custom cabinets, a bathroom with a spacious shower, dual sinks, a tiled floor, and a walk-in closet. There are 2 guest bedrooms that share a bathroom, and the office has custom cabinets, carpet, and French doors. A bright and serene sunroom with tile flooring extends from the great room, leading to a patio perfect for grilling. The home also includes a 2-car attached garage with storage and a whole house water filter with reverse osmosis.